So guys, welcome. We've done our design, we've done our alignment, and then we've used several methods. So now, what we want to do in this video, what we'll be doing in this video, is we're going to look at how we can reset some of this, do work on the settings of one of the labels, work on the labels of the alignment. So the first thing I want us to work on is I want us to change these labels. You need to change it. So what you do to do any manipulation on the labels, what you do, you click on it, click on the alignment, right click, then you have alignment labels. So you can see all the details we have. So many details we have them here. So first thing you do, so what we will normally do is can delete all. Delete all. Click. What you do, go to major changes. Then you can right click. You can press shift. Come down, press shift. Then you have this. Then go click. Okay, it doesn't go. So you have to delete them one after the other. I'm not supposed to delete them one after the other, but I just want to remove all so that we can change it. Okay, so that everything will start from the beginning. So we have this. So major changes. So we come to perpendicular with tick. Yes. So we click add. So our major changes, you can see the changes we have here. We have 0 plus 0, 8, 0, 0 plus there's mark here, there's a tick here, which is that means between these 082 and 9 and 100, there's one in between. That means if we have 082, we have 100, that means 90 is in between them. That means it's in 10. This from here to here is 20. And if you look at this here, we have here at equidistant from here to this side and this side. So that means it's 10. So we have 0 plus 090 at the middle. But I don't want that. I want to have like a space of 25. Normally, here in this country, part of the world, we use 25. So, but the major, we look at it, let's look at it again. This one that appear, that you see them as numbers, you see them in numbers, are the major changes. The ones in tick, or not only tick without number, is the minor change. So we have major changes. I want my major changes to be in hundreds. If I make them in 100, my drawing will be neat and will be more legible. So that's 100. Then let's go to the minor changes. Click on the minor changes. Just tick. So you click add again to come up. So I want it to be at 25, 25. So let's look at how it comes out before we go further. So there's something we need to do here. We've done this change. So let's save this label set. Let's go to information. Let's save label set. Go to information. Let's say my label, my alignment label. So click OK. So click OK. So you can see what we have in 0 plus 0, 0, 0, 0 plus this, 0 plus this, 0 plus that. So let's click on this again. Let's go back. So we have it at 25, 25. The minor changes, minor labels are 25. The major ones are in 300. So let's say let's have this. Let's go back here. So, but I don't want to go to alignment label straight. Let's go to alignment style or alignment. Okay, let's come here. No, I want to go to. Let's go to edit alignment style. No. Give me the other time. So let's come here. Alignment properties. Let's see if we can have the labels here. The proposed. This is proposed. No. I'm supposed to work on this one, but I don't want to work on it now. Let's go. Okay. Let's go back to our labels. Let's go to alignment labels, edit alignment labels. So we have this. So now we need to have the details for the curves, beginning of curve, middle of curve, end of curve, just as we had it the other time. So to come here, come to geometry points. So you come here, perpendicular to the line, you can say add. So to give you the feature you want, alignment beginning, that's the one we saw, that BP, alignment end of pavement, then curve midpoint, we should show midpoint of the curve, straight intersect, that's the IP. So you can just say, okay, so you come up, so apply. So you can see 200. So furthermore, we can do something further. We can edit this perpendicular with tick. I want to change the color. That's number one. I want to change the color. I don't like this color. So what you do here, just come here. Just as we did the other time, I said I don't like uh uh working on the default settings. So here I will just come here, I will say create and then copy current selection. We tick copy. So I say my perpendicular tick. So you can come here. So I said I want to change the color. So you have C road stand major. I can go to the layer to check that and change the color. So here I have the high the I think the text height is okay. So I can come here. I want to see here we have the color here. So there's something I want to do here. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back. Oh wow, I didn't change it. So 0 plus 200. Can I say we have 0 plus 0, 0.00. I don't want that. 0 plus 500 plus 300. So let's just go back to that place. These alignment labels, we have this. So let's go here. Let's check. Let's make some changes. As we said the other time, like copy current selection. We have my perpendicular with tick. So layout. So I can decide to reduce the font size, the size. I decide to reduce the size. When I come here, I can do anything there. I click on check this. This is the changing format. This is anything, any manipulation you want to do here, you need to first of all highlight this. That's what will take you to once we have so many things here, so many details here. So when one manipulation you want to do, you highlight this. Then so meter is a meter changing format. So precision 1. I don't want to be in precision 1. I want to be in 2. I want to be in decimal, maybe 2 decimal places. So, okay. So you can see digits, grouping symbol not available. This one not available. Then sign negative. Sign negative is minus. Then plus sign. Plus change character is plus sign. Yes. So you can decide to change it to anyone, but we use plus. Then change character position 1 plus 0, 0, 0. Then drop decimal for whole number. Yes. Let's see what we are going to do. I don't want to start changing things here for now. Let's see. So precision is 0.00, 0.01. So okay. Let's okay it. Let's see what we're going to have. So we have it like this. So 0.01. So yes. So we have 1 plus 0, 0, 0. Let's go back. All these things you don't need to go back and forth, but because I'm trying to come up we are working, we are learning. That's why we are doing up and we are trying to go back and forth. So you click on this. Oh wow, there's a mistake I made the other time. You see, when I click on this, when I select this, I change this one to 0.001 to decimal places. I want decimals to show. So immediately I finished, before clicking OK, I'm supposed to click on this. When I click on this, it will correct whatever we have it. It will affect the settings I made here. So click on this. So now that means I change this to two decimal places. So that's changed to decimal. That's P2. So you click OK, 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 OK. This is what we have. So you can see that the major changes are in two decimal places because I clicked two decimal places. But this is not okay. This is just good. If I say you shouldn't have, this is just good. You have decimal places in case we have some places where they are in decimals. So what you do in that case is to go back to the settings again. We will see that in the next video. Thank you very much.